Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest powerhouse from Garmin, the Garmin Tactix 8. This next-gen tactical smartwatch is packed with rugged military-grade durability, advanced navigation features, and high-end fitness tracking, making it a must-have for professionals, adventurers, and tactical enthusiasts. Garmin has truly stepped up its game with this release, bringing cutting-edge technology, enhanced battery life, and improved tactical capabilities to the wrist. Garmin Tactix 8. A tactical powerhouse. Garmin has just unveiled the Tactix 8, hot on the heels of the Descent G2 launch. This watch is essentially the Phoenix 8 with an upgraded tactical edge, boasting features designed specifically for military personnel, survivalists, and extreme outdoor enthusiasts. It comes in two case sizes, 47mm and 51mm, giving users the option to choose between a more compact form factor and a larger display for enhanced visibility. One of the standout additions to the Tactix 8 is the integrated speaker and microphone, allowing for hands-free voice commands and calls, a first for the Tactix series. The AMOLED display, first introduced in the Tactix 7, is now standard in both models, offering crystal-clear visuals and improved brightness. However, for those who prioritize battery longevity over display quality, there is still a solar edition with a MIP display, ensuring extended use in extreme conditions. Tactical and military-grade features. The Garmin Tactix 8 isn't just about smart features. It's built for serious tactical applications. One of the most useful upgrades is the built-in LED flashlight, which includes a green light mode for night vision compatibility. This, paired with the dedicated night vision mode, ensures that the screen brightness adjusts to work seamlessly with night vision equipment, making it ideal for military use and covert operations. Another crucial feature is the stealth mode, which disables GPS tracking and all wireless connections, keeping your location and data completely off the grid. Additionally, the kill switch instantly wipes all stored data if security becomes a concern. For navigational support, the Tactix 8 includes international topographic maps, allowing for easy waypoint setting by simply selecting a distance and direction. Garmin also offers the Outdoor Maps Plus subscription, providing access to high-resolution satellite imagery and additional topographical details. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or on a mission, these features ensure precise navigation and real-time location tracking. Unmatched performance for air and sea operations. For aviators, the Garmin Tactix 8 provides weather updates, wind speed data, air pressure insights, and real-time visibility tracking, making it a great companion for pilots and paratroopers. If you're a diver, you'll be pleased to know that the Tactix 8 is water-resistant up to 10 atm and supports a 40m dive rating, making it ideal for scuba diving, free diving, and apnea dives. The underwater navigation system also ensures you stay on track even beneath the surface. Enhanced fitness and rucking support. Garmin has also added a new rucking activity mode, which calculates calories burned based on backpack weight. This is a game-changer for military personnel and outdoor enthusiasts who train with heavy loads. Along with advanced sports tracking, the Tactix 8 includes ECG heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking for blood oxygen levels, VO2 max estimates, training status analysis, Garmin Pay for contactless transactions, access to Garmin Connect IQ for custom apps and watch faces. Another standout feature is the applied ballistics software, which aids in long-range shooting calculations, making it an invaluable tool for snipers and precision shooters. Military-grade durability and long-lasting battery life. Built to military standards, the Garmin Tactix 8 is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. The scratch-resistant sapphire display, leak-proof buttons, and reinforced casing ensure that it can handle extreme environments, whether you're trekking through rugged mountains or enduring harsh desert conditions. Battery life varies depending on the model. 47mm AMOLED version. Up to 16 days in smartwatch mode. 51mm solar edition. Up to 48 days with optimal solar exposure. However, using power-intensive features like dual-frequency GNSS, maps, and voice commands can drain the battery faster. So it's always wise to manage power settings based on your activity needs. Pricing and availability. The Garmin Tactix 8 is set to launch on February 21st, with pricing starting at $1,299 for the 47mm AMOLED version, $1,399 for the 51mm AMOLED version, $1,599 for the Solar Edition with applied ballistics. This premium price tag reflects the high-end materials, advanced tactical features, and rugged durability packed into this beast of a smartwatch. The question is it worth it? Final thoughts. For those in the military, law enforcement, aviation, diving, or extreme outdoor sports, the Garmin Tactix 8 is one of the most feature-rich, durable, and versatile smartwatches on the market. It blends high-tech tactical functions with advanced fitness tracking, making it a top-tier choice for professionals who demand the best in navigation, durability, and real-time data tracking. However, if you're looking for a general smartwatch for fitness and everyday use, you might find the Fenix 8 or Epix Pro a more budget-friendly alternative with similar core functions. So, what do you think about the Garmin Tactix 8? Is it on your wish list, or do you think the price is too steep? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Until next time, stay ahead with Techno Trend Zone. Peace.